Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon. Good
We
afternoon.
will continue the exercise in the workbook. So please take a workbook, all of you, page number 12. Please take a workbook, part 2, page number 12.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Please take a workbook, part 2, page number 12. We will continue the exercise in the textbook. The same page I will share on the screen also. Sam Tom, you got the page, same page. You got the same page, Sam Tom? Yes. So let's start. Please read question number 10, Sam. Question number
Yes, ma'am.
10, page number 12.
Subtract
How many rupees, how many paisa?
33 rupees,
Uh,
33 paise
From?
55 rupees dot 55 paise.
Okay. So what is the meaning of this 33 rupees, 33 paisa from 55 rupees, 55 paisa? That means 55 rupees, 55, 50 paisa minus 33 rupees, 33 paisa. So let's write the digits in the place. Okay. So it is already given the rupee symbol and paisa symbol. So we can write one below the other. So here 55 rupees, 55 paisa. 33 rupees, 33 paisa. Now you complete it.
3 minus 1.
Sam Tom, do it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 22 rupees point 22 paise.
Okay, good. 5 minus 3, we will get it 2. Again 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. 22 rupees, 22 paise. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please complete it. 22 rupees, 22 paise. Now, Evelyn, read the question number 11.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I don't take.
Question number 11.
Add rupees 21.
21 rupees, 21 paisa.
21 paisa and 11 rupees 11 paisa.
11 paise. Okay, so let's write the numbers. 21 rupees, 21 paise. 11 rupees, 11 paise. Now add it and tell me the answer, Evelyn. Add and tell me.
Ten
Eh?
10 paisa and 10 rupees.
It's written add. Why are you subtracting? Add means we have to add the numbers now, Evelyn. Add it, add it.
Okay. paisa and 32 rupees.
32 rupees, 32 paise. Listen to the question and write. Okay, listen to the question. Read the question carefully. Now we can move to question number 12. Joseph Sebi, please read the question. Joseph Sebi, please read question number 12.
Subtract 90 from 91.
Okay, what's the meaning of that? Rupees 90 from 91.
91 minus 90.
Okay, now let's write the numbers. Here 91, here 90. Do it and tell me the answer.
The answer is
Huh.
9 minus 9 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1.
You have to start the subtraction from which place, Joseph?
One's place.
One's place. So 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. So how many rupees?
1.
1 rupee. Okay. Complete the answer. Now, Asriya, please read question number 13A.
At 56 rupees and
10 paise.
56 rupees and 10 paisa.
Paise.
Paise and
32 rupees.
32 rupees and 50 paise.
Add and tell me the answer. Okay. Let's write the numbers. 56 rupees, 10 paise. 32 rupees, 50 paise.
Okay.
Tell me, Asriya, what's the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 88 rupees and 60 paisa.
88 rupees,
Yes.
60 paise. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear.
Okay.
Advai, the PS, please turn on your video and read the question number 13B. Question number 13B.
Add 56 rupees
Hmm.
and 10 paise.
I asked 13B. 13, question number 13B. A, B completed. Now you can read question B.
22 rupees for 25 paise
Hmm.
and 37 rupees point.
No need to say again point. 37 rupees 45 paise. Okay. 37 rupees 45 paise. Please do it and tell me the answer. So let's write the number here. 22 rupees 25 paise. 37 rupees 45 paise. Do it. Here we have to regroup the funds place. Do it and tell me the answer. Advaita PS, you got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it. See here at one's place, you can means paisa. Let's add paisa. 5 plus 5. What is the answer of 5 plus 5?
10.
10. So we are getting the number 10. So ones, this is tens and ones. So ones place it is 0. That we can write here. 10 space number we can move to 10 space. So it here will come 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? Advait.
3.
3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? Advait. 3 plus 4.
7.
7. So here will come 70 paise. Now we can move to rupees. 2 plus 7. What is 2
9.
plus 7? 9. Now 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3?
5.
So 59 rupees is 70 paise. Okay. 59 rupees 70 paise. So please complete it. Those who didn't do, please complete it. Those who already done, please check your answer. Now let's move to number 14. Yes, Meenakshi, please read question number A. 14A, it is subtract.
Subtract 45 rupee 40 paise from 85 rupee 80 paise.
What's the meaning of that? 45.
85 rupee 80 paise minus 45 rupee 40 paise.
Okay, so we can write the numbers. You also please write the number and do it and tell me the answer. So 85 rupees, 80 paise, 45 rupees, 40 paise. What's the answer?
40 rupee 40 paise.
Very good. 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 4, 5. So 40 rupees, 40 paise. Very good. 40 rupees, 40 paise. Anay, did you complete question A? 14A? Anay?
No.
Okay, do it. Those who have completed 14A, please try B. Anna, when you have completed that time, you please start question number B. Anna, please read question B. Read question B. Unmute and read. Now you can read. How many rupees? How many paisa? 52. Read.
52
Rupees.
rupees
50 paise
50 paise
from
from
93 rupees. Continue. 93 rupees, 90 paise.
paise.
Okay, please do it. Krishna, did you complete it? Show me the workbook. Krishna, show me the workbook. 93 rupees, 90 paise. Bigger rupee we have to write. Krishna, show me the workbook. Show me B, question B, 93 rupees, 90 paise. Did you do B also?
Yes.
Yes. Now, 93 rupees, 90 paise minus 52 rupees, 50 paise. And I do it and tell me the answer. And have you got the answer? Paisa, we have 0 minus 0. What is 0 minus 0?
0
9 minus 5. What is answer? 9 minus 5. 5 can become 9. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So will come 4. Okay. Now rupees 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is equal to
1
1. Then 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5?
40
4. So 41 rupees 40 paise. 41 rupees 40 paise. So please complete the answer. 41 rupees 45 paise. And those who have completed, please move to page number 13 and try to read the question and try to solve it also. Karthik, Android, Haya, please turn on your video. Karthik, did you complete question 14A and B? Yes. So please take a page number 13 and read question number 15. Let's move to page number 13. All of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am. In a nurse,
Ah.
the cost.
In a nursery,
In a nursery, the
you can see no small plants are selling in some places now. In a nursery, the cost of
50. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Cost rupee 40. What is the total
cost
of
the plants and the pot. Who is having the doubt? Tell me.
What is the nursery?
Nursery means there we can see the small plants. Small plant, all the plants we will get. We can see flowers, small plants. Flowers also will be, flowering plants will be there. maybe fruit, okay, something like that.
Okay, thanks.
Now,
I see a nursery.
in a nursery, the cost of 5 plants is rupees 50. Small plants, rupees 50. And a pot costs rupees 40. What is the total cost of the plants and the pot? Here you can see the word total. Karthik, what we have to do to find out the answer? We have to add the money. Here it is given total cost. So we have to add the money. So we have to write the steps also. From the question we can write cost of 5 plants. Please write cost of.
Ma'am, your mother finish.
Okay, Shiva Mother. Cost of 5 plants equal to, it's given here rupees 50.
Ma'am, there is also practice questions.
That we will do later, my dear. We have enough questions now. When the time of revision and all, we will do it.
Okay. Ma'am, Adit PM completed the question answers.
Good.
Ma'am,
So cost of 5 plants, it's given rupees 50. Then what's given? A pot cost rupees 40. So cost of pot. Let's write cost of pot. P-O-T, pot. It's given rupees 40. Shiva Mother, what is the answer? How we will find out the answer?
the answer is,
I
don't know, means
total cost equal to
equal to
rupees 50 plus
50 plus
rupees 40.
rupees
So let's write the
40.
number here. 50
Yeah.
rupees, 40 rupees.
50, 40
What is the
rupees.
answer? 0 plus 0?
0.
0. Now 5 plus 4?
5 in the mind.
5 plus 4 is equal to 9.
Equal to 9.
So what is the answer? Rupees 90.
90.
Rupees 90. 9090. Evelyn, did you complete the answer?
No.
Right.
Finish.
Nursery means.
No,
Okay, right.
Ma'am, your mother finish.
Okay. Those who have completed, please try question number 16. See, nursery means a place where young plants and trees are grown for sale. We will get flowering plants, Like that small plants, some trees.
Ma'am, at this
You will
PM
get it.
completed 18th question.
18 also completed. Very good, Adit. Then we can move to the practice questions if you have time.
It is very big. So
Let's
I
move.
do later.
Okay, good. So let's move to question number 16. Evelyn, did you complete answer of question number 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to question number 16. Now, Advaita BM, please read question number 16.
Yes, ma'am. The cost of a book
Hmm.
is 93.50. Sharat gave
Shruti gave, Shruti gave,
Shruti gave
gave,
59
eh? How many rupees?
95
95 rupees, 50 paisa.
paisa
Hmm.
to the shopkeeper.
Ah.
How much charge shopkeeper
Hmm.
should
How much change did the shopkeeper give Shruti?
Shruti?
Okay, now you please listen once again. All of you please listen here. The cost of a book is 93 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, Shruti gave, Shruti gave 95 rupees 50 paisa to the shopkeeper. How much change did the shopkeeper give Shruti? Listen, the cost of a book is 93 rupees 50 paisa only. But she gave 95 rupees. So there should be some balance, no?
Yes,
Yes. So we have to find out how much balance is there. Okay. So how we will do, or how we can find out the answer? We have to add or subtract. Subtract. See, listen, some are telling add. Please listen. The cost of a book is 93 rupees 50 paise. Shruti gave 95 rupees 50 paisa. Listen to the question. Okay, understand the question first. To the shopkeeper, the book cost only 93 rupees 50 paisa, but she gave 95. 95 is bigger, no? 95 rupees 50 paise. So she gets some balance from the shopkeeper. So what was the balance? So let's write the question. Let's write the steps. Cost of the book. Cost of a book. It's already given here. Rupees 93. 50 paise. Amount paid to the shopkeeper. Money given. Amount paid or given. Paid to the shopkeeper.
Ma'am, the answer is 2.
Yes. Rupees 95 50 paise.
And 0 paise.
Now, the third step, amount gave back or money gave back. To Shruti.
Ma'am, Karthik, please wait for me.
You please come right, my dear.
Ma'am, please wait for Karthik.
Let me complete the answer. I'm not moving to the next one. Let me complete the answer of this question. I will give you time.
Ma'am, the answer is 2 rupees and 0 paisa.
Yes, Pitra. Rupees 95 50 paisa minus rupees 93 50 paise. Now you subtract and find out the answer.
2.
Ah, yes, it's 2
Ma'am,
rupees.
she mother finish full.
Ah, okay. So let's write here 95, 50 paise, 93 rupees, 50 paise. So 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 9, 0. So the answer is rupees 2. 2 rupees 0 paise. 2 rupees 0 paise.
Ma'am, she mother finish 17.
Ah, okay, you can go to 17. It's already 13 and 136. So students are writing, let them complete. We can move or we can discuss the question 17 and 18 tomorrow. If you want to complete, you can go to 17 and you can read and you can understand. You can do it also, no problem. We will discuss in the class tomorrow.
Ma'am, this notes is sent.
Yeah, I will send. Adit Krishna, Arav, Bhagyasri, Ihsan Aurin, Jennifer, Kashyap, Mohammed Swalik, Siddhi Vinayak, Stefano. These students are absent.
Ma'am, Arjun is my best friend.
Hmm?
Arjun is my best friend.
Who is your best friend?
Arjun.
Ah, Arjun. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah, yes.
this is my best friend also.
Ah, okay, Krishna. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay, now it's time to value the session. I will send the notes in the group. Okay. So
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
See, it's already going to 140, my dear. I will send the
Ma'am.
note in the group. Okay.
Ma'am, Phantom is my best friend.
Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye, Brennan.